Alright, good morning everyone. We are in room 122 at the Holiday Inn Express in Glasgow, Kentucky. Been here before, but we're in a new room and it's been a good time. Hadn't done a tour yet, but we're in room 122 and as you come in the door, you got the bathroom. And we had a room up above, had showered and didn't use the curtains, and water came down out of the roof. Got a nice big mirror here, got the thermostat, cute little lamps, got 3 drawers, pretty deep, got the TV. I'll insert a picture of what it had on it when we got here. Got a little Keurig. Got a desk, so you can roll it out. It has wheel stops, so you can roll it back under. Got your coffee pods, got tea, microwave, refrigerator, actual refrigerator. Got your heat and air there. There's the parking lot. We usually have a good time here, but each bed has 2 outlets, 3 if you count the one on the lamp. That one looks like it had been a USB, but there's nothing in it. There's one on each side. A nice little chair. And we've slept in the bed, so that's not too bad. And I got the ice bucket and stuff like that. The ice thing is down on the other side of the hallway. Got the pool right over here in the corner. And I hope you enjoyed.